guys, Joe for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ALTRA MONT BLANC BOA. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the ALTRA MONT BLANC BOA. We've got this in the blue-green colorway in the US 8.5, it's UK 7.5, it's the European 42. So before we get unboxing, this is the first time we've looked at any sneakers from the brand ALTRA. This is the first time that we're doing a sneaker review from the brand ALTRA. They're an American footwear company that specializes in running sneakers. They're a relatively new brand. They've just celebrated their 10-year anniversary and they specialize in running footwear, and they want to be the alternative to your traditional big brands. So hopefully, you hear a lot more from ALTRA. So let's go unboxing, and here we are. This is a very, very dope sneaker, if I say so myself. It kind of reminds me of a BOA sneaker that we've done in the past before. It uses that same lace fastening system. That's the BOA. Right here, it's very lightweight. And something I want to mention is that this is kind of different to what ALTRA kind of originally do, because they specialize in normal running sneakers. This is kind of built for trail running, but obviously that's running itself. So we will start with the outsole. So this outsole is a lugged rubber outsole. You've got that Vibram technology also to help you get the best traction for your run. The midsole unit, so this midsole unit uses ALTRA's Ego Max foam. Essentially, it is a foam for your cushioning and support. And the upper is the standard foot-shaped sock. So essentially, this is a sock upper. You've got loads of textile materials surrounding it, like this band where the BOA lacing is. Well, you can kind of see it on the medial side here. That's there to fasten it. But essentially, it is a shape sock to fit your feet, and it will fit the shape of your foot because of the BOA lacing system here. Very lightweight, as I mentioned before. You got these open-soled mesh. You got these heat-pressed plastics, especially here. You can see it on the medial side, and on the lateral side, you got the ALTRA logo right there with the BOA lacing system. And you got two, so it kind of does the forefoot and the top of your feet. The tongue, essentially there is no tongue because it is one sock unit. And at the heel, you've got a pull tab, kind of padded insole, and then you've got a synthetic insole to round things off. Very lightweight sneaker. It's an alternative to all the running brands that you're used to seeing. Maybe try something new. Hopefully this is going to hit some. I'm going to let you know about the comfort and the fit when we do the on feet. So roll that footage of me trying these on. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. Typically, I am a 7.5 UK when it comes to shoes. These fit perfectly. I don't know if you saw the BOA lacing system, but that is fine. You just pop it out to loosen it, and push it back in, turn the dials, and it tightens it. And it's a unique way to put your shoes on, and they're very comfortable. They're secure because of the BOA fit, and yeah, they look really cool on. Very lightweight is what I want when it comes to some trail runs. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.